Can you put your Assurance Wireless SIM card in another phone? The short answer is it's possible, but not always straightforward. Assurance Wireless, a Lifeline program provider, typically locks its phones to their network to prevent reselling subsidized devices. However, FCC regulations require them to unlock devices after 60 days of activation, or if you've fulfilled the service requirements. To start, your new phone must be compatible with Verizon's network, specifically LTE Band 13.4 and CDMA 800/1900 MHz. Unlocked Verizon phones like some Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel models often work. AT&T phones typically won't work without unlocking and possibly changing the IMEI. Keep in mind, even if unlocked, transferring the SIM may void warranties or eligibility for free replacements from Assurance Wireless. Now let's walk through the steps to transfer your Assurance Wireless SIM card and discuss potential issues you might encounter. First, check if your Assurance Wireless phone is eligible for unlocking. It needs to have been active for at least 60 days, and the account must be in good standing. Once eligible, contact Assurance Wireless customer support at 1-888-321-5880 to request an unlock code. Power off both phones. Remove the SIM card from the Assurance Wireless phone and insert it into your new compatible phone. Power on the new phone. You may need to reboot it and connect to Verizon towers. Dial 28 for CDMA activation if needed. Be aware of potential issues. Assurance Wireless might deny the transfer if the new phone isn't on their approved list or due to network incompatibility. Some users use third-party unlocking services, but these aren't officially supported and may violate terms. Success varies by phone model, often due to device obsolescence.